Today we're making this FM flanger thingy without using a flanger, so it's not really a flanger thingy, but yeah. Make an LFO shape like this, get a square wave, FM from B and automate it. Now automate the volume as well. Turn on oscillator B and get an analog sine. Turn the wavetable position up and automate it down. Turn down the volume. Get a filter. Now select flanger L6 negative, turn on the LP frequency, and automate the cutoff and resonance. Just as necessary. For the effects, turn on hyperdimension, automate the mixes, and turn down the size. Distortion. Phaser, turn down the depth and everything. Feedback, yeah. And automate the mix. Now turn on multiband compressor. Just as necessary. Finally, make an LFO shape like this. Set the rate to half. Select bend minus on oscillator B. Now automate it. You can also automate the rate using macro. Now you can make something like this under 10 seconds. Oh, and you can grab this anime skin on my Patreon. You'll also get early access to my upcoming sample packs and access to my private Discord server called Basstown, where we pray in the Church of Bass. Yeah, it's like a cult, but not really. But yeah, please join.